Congratulations on your newborn bObi pet. To welcome bObi into your home, we included everything you need to ensure hassle-free cleaning all in bObi's box. Each box includes bObi herself, her charging station and adapter, her remote, her block, her battery, her mop attachment and 2 microfiber mopping cloths, 2 side brushes, a spare main brush, 1 additional HEPA filter, blindfold stickers, a bag of screws, 2 spare main brush holders, a screwdriver and sinking tool, bObi's cleaning tool, your owner's manual and quick start guide, and your warranty card. Let's get bObi ready for our first cleaning session. To install bObi's battery, use the screwdriver to open her battery cover. Lift the battery cover and notice the wires nestled inside with the connectors at its end. Plug bObi's corresponding battery wire into this connector. Once secured, place the battery inside with the wires facing down. Reattach the cover using the screws. With her battery installed, bObi is ready to charge. Plug bObi's wall adapter into an outlet and connect its cord to the charging station. Keep bObi's charging station in an accessible area on a hard, flat surface, and with its backside against the wall. Leave about 10 feet of open space in front and 3 feet of space on each side of the station so bObi can swiftly drive back to it on her own when she needs energy. The middle light on bObi's cover will blink when she's charging and will stop blinking when she's full. Before her first clean, allow bObi to fully juice up by placing her on the charging station and making sure the 2 silver nodes on her front side line up with the 2 linear charging plates on her station. Alternatively, you can charge bObi directly by plugging the adapter into the inlet on her side. Now for the moment we've been waiting for. Flip bObi's power switch on. She'll let out a chirp sound and the words go, waffle, and juice will light up on her cover. Press go either on her cover or the remote and she'll do exactly what she's meant to do. Automatically clean the floors for you. To use the remote, you must first install 2 AAA batteries. bObi's remote allows you to control her navigation, cleaning modes, and cleaning schedule. To learn about all the remote's features, watch the instructional video in the corner owners section of bObi's website. If you need to keep certain areas out of bObi's reach, you can use bObi's block, the accessory that allows you to create invisible boundaries that bObi will not cross. Install 4 AA batteries in the block to get it started, and watch the video in the owner's corner of how to use the block. bObi may need to sync up with her block, remote, and charging station if she cannot establish communication with them. The syncing process is explained in the instructional video for each of these accessories. Enjoy cleaning with bObi, the new addition to your family.